apologize. I haven't really posted a video in a while. Trying to build a car and having a newborn and all of that fun stuff. It's not super easy to work on this as much, but I have gathered some parts, and we'll go over that real quick. That way I can start doing installation videos. So as you can see, the motor is still very much taken apart. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just been time and money and everything else, and trying to find the right time and places to do things. But now I have decided that this motor is getting pulled completely, and this is going for hot tank deck, yada yada yada. And I'm going to build this motor for boost, so I'm just going to take it all the way out because it needs more revamping. I want to take it all the way out and get it all the way clean, so I'm just going to strip this block all the way completely down and go from there. But I did pick up this motor, and this motor looks good, it runs good, compression's good, everything is good on this motor. So this is going to be my let's get through the drift season motor, because it needs very minimal work. It needs a valve cover gasket, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to take this off anyways because I don't want the red, I want purple. And the oil pan for it, that's got to be cleaned and gone through and all that fun stuff. But so yeah, this is the motor that's going to be going into the car now. That one's going to get stripped all the way down. And I did pick up some gauges for my coolant and stuff because I haven't really had one in that car. I just kind of listened for it to boil and then do my thing. So that's there. My buddy Nick over at Stonk the Bonks, I think is what is it, how you say his thing. He 3D printed me some cool pod gauges, a mount for my switch panel that's going to be in the car, what's been in the car. I think that's his first attempt for that right there. And then the glow shift, temp sensor, and the inline reedy thingy for it. And then he also made me a mount for the vent for the pod. I hope I held it the right way, huh? So there's that. I apologize for the mess in my garage. I have kids. I'm done trying to keep up with it. I did get proper seat mounts. And then I still have the brides, although I am possibly selling these here in a few minutes. I fit a little too snug for them. The baby sympathy weight's packing on, I guess. And then the HVAC delete is right here. That's the seat brackets. And then D&D hub, which is already in the car. So I have my steering wheel back on the car. Oh, and also I got, there's a switch panel that the mount is for my son's toys. I did pick up of course I can't show it right now. I picked up a stage 3 clutch. So that's where we're at as far as parts and everything showing up. Most everything is here. I know I'm forgetting some small things I ordered here and there, but basically the goal is to have this car running and driving on its own power in about a week. That's my ultimate goal. Oh, I also picked up a new engine harness because when I pulled out, that one's kind of hacked. It was cheap off the marketplace. But my goal is about a week. Have this thing running and going and sitting exactly where I want it to. I have not exactly gotten to everything on my whiteboard over there, but I have checked off all of the important stuff I wrote in my window, even though it doesn't look like it. And I will show you what is completed on. All right, it's on the front facing camera, but I do have a good amount of things checked off on this thing. So there are still a few things I need and want to get, but they're not things that would hinder me from doing drift season and starting drift season. They are all things that I can get in the middle and install in a single day and be done and over with. So that's where I'm at, and the next video that I post will be starting to install some stuff. I'm going to do my best to remember to record everything that I'm installing. You know, there's 8,000 installed videos and all this stuff. It's just kind of what I want to do. So If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. More stuff will be coming out now, especially seeing as I have a whole bunch of parts, and my daughter is at the age now to where she's calming down slightly throughout the day, so it is a little bit easier for me to get away to work on the car and not have to worry about it as much. So thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe.